War Eagle. I'm Simon Cruz, and I'm the advertising manager for the Auburn Plainsman. Student media aims to give any student, regardless of major and experience level, the ability to gain industry standard experience in a professional learning lab. Student media consists of 5 award-winning groups: the Auburn Circle, the Auburn Plainsman, the Glomerata, WEGL 91.1 FM, and Eagle Eye TV. The Auburn Circle, our literary and arts magazine, provides Auburn students the opportunity to showcase their artistic work, including poetry, short stories, music, photography, and so much more. The Auburn Circle hosts an event called Snaps at a local coffee shop each semester to unveil the magazine. Students have the opportunity to read and perform their published work and get a free coffee. This year, the Circle hosted their best attended Snaps event ever with 120 students attending. The Auburn Circle was a finalist for the Associated Collegiate Press Literary Pacemaker Award for the 3rd year in a row. The Auburn Plainsman is the most highly decorated non-daily newspaper in the country and the Associated Collegiate Press's 5th winningest college media organization overall. The Plainsman covers news, sports, and culture on Auburn's campus surrounding community. Over 6,000 people currently get the day's news in their inbox by subscribing to the Plainsman email newsletter. The Plainsman website saw close to 1 million page views over the last year, and they were a finalist for the Associated Collegiate Press Online Pacemaker Award. The Glomerata, Auburn's yearbook, distributes 8,000 yearbooks to Auburn students. The Glomerata aims to be the historical record of Auburn University by telling the story of the year through photos and features. By looking back through 126 years of photos and articles, you can truly find everything that makes Auburn special within the pages of the Glomerata. WEGL 91.1 FM, our campus radio station, is a variety station that plays many genres of music and hosts news and sports talk shows. Broadcasting 24/7, WEGL has over 50 student DJs who all have their own unique show. WEGL's online live stream saw a 41,184 hours streamed, which is a 59% increase over the previous year. WEGL also won 2 Alabama Broadcasting Association ABBY Awards while competing against professional radio stations. This is the 4th year in a row that WEGL has won at least one ABBY Award. Eagle Eye TV, our student television station, airs 24/7 on Campus Channel 6, as well as a YouTube live stream. Eagle Eye airs multiple live news and sports shows every week. Videos on their YouTube channel saw over 13 million impressions, which is most impressions in their channel's history. Eagle Eye TV was a finalist for both the Associated Collegiate Press Broadcast Pacemaker and the Intercollegiate Broadcast System Best Overall TV Station Award this year. Every year, student media seeks to keep the Auburn community engaged and entertained with all the information they need to know while helping students prepare for careers in their industry.